Okay, we've got a skip standing on horizontal ground. So skip, there we go, has mass 500 kilograms, so that'll be 500 G. It's a force there. Normal contact force goes straight up. Mu is 0.6, so I don't need to work out mu. But if I'm going to use that, I'll almost certainly have to use F lim equals mu r. What's the maximum waste mass of waste material that the skip can contain? Well, so I need something more in here, so let's have x g, x being the kilograms, so that's times by 9.8. If it's being moved by a friction or horizontal force of magnitude 7,350, so it's being pulled here by 7,350, and we've got friction going across backwards. And now I can do it. I've got this, so I'm going to have F lim, because it's going to be moving, and therefore friction is going to be the maximum it can, so F lim equals mu r. Well, I can just put things in there. I need to know what F is, so that means I need to resolve horizontally. Now I could do resultant force equals mass times acceleration, but the mass times acceleration, the acceleration is 0 because it's only just moving, so actually I won't do that way. I'll actually go force to the right. Well, actually I'm going to do force to the left equals force to the right, because that means that gives me the force to the left is F and the force to the right is 7,350, and it's a nicer way around like that. So I've now worked out what F equals, so I know that bit. I now need to work out what R is, so that means I'm going to have to resolve upwards. There's no acceleration upwards, so I'm going to have upwards equals downwards, and that says that R equals, and downwards I've got xg plus 500g. So I now know what R is, and I know what mu is, so I can put it into here and find out what x is. So that will give me, from here, F, that's 7,350, equals mu, that's 0.6, times by R, which is xg plus 500g. I'll divide both sides by 0.6, and that gives me 12,250 equals xg plus 500g, and so xg equals 7,350, and so x equals, divide both sides by g, which is 9.8, which is 750 kilograms. And yet again, I've used F equals mu r. I've resolved to the right and I've resolved upwards, and then put those three things together. But first of all, the diagram came first. Weight going in there first. And once put the weight straight down, normal contact force going straight up. Just get used to that. And that's question 3 done.